Today I'm really excited to take you guys with me as we walk around and take this 1971 Cutlass for a test drive. Beautifully restored car with a neat story, which I'll get into as we go around it. Fantastic color combination that I haven't personally seen before. Triple blue vinyl top, blue interior, really clean and well restored. It's got a great running, numbers matching 350 rocket, 4-barrel, cold factory air, power brakes, power steering. So we bought this car from a lady whose husband had just finished the meticulous kind of nut and bolt restoration on this, and then unfortunately he had passed away, and so we're helping her by buying this and finding it a new home and somebody that's going to take care of it just as much as they did. I love the quality that he put into the restoration, even down to the right GM hoses, the right stickers. You know, everything was just done to a really high standard and with a really high percentage of care. The paint on the cowl was done beautifully. Paint on the inner fenders is excellent, really quality. Even the QP sticker on the oil neck there. Hood insulation's all correct. Just a car you don't have to make any excuses for. And when I drove it for the first time, that was very evident. Just put a smile on my face. I was really proud and excited of how this car drove. The paint on it's excellent. All the trim and bright work was restored when he did the restoration. The front bumper's new, the grill's new, trim around the grill and headlights, all looks great. Really classy color combination, great stance. I like the paint matched or the color keyed Oldsmobile rally wheels, BFG raised wet lighter tires, Cutlass Supreme hood. And this is neat too. I hadn't seen this, but a blue vinyl top that was beautifully restored. Back package tray is correct. That's cool. Factory tack. Door panels are excellent. The wood grain on them is fantastic. Door jamb paint, really nice. Rust-free corner of the door. We'll have undercarriage pictures up on our website that you can take a look at, but very quality car underneath as well. Dash pad's great. The wood grain on the dash is all really nice and clean. Seats are nice.
One of a kind.
It's one of those cars you can describe with one word, you know, crisp.
Yep.
Like, look at the jam paint on the trunk. This did a really fantastic job with that. Matching spare, jack in the correct spot, comes with a car cover. Trunk is really nice, tidy. Back bumper's new, good sound and dual exhaust. Doesn't that look beautiful?
Yeah.
Especially the way the sun's hitting that.
That's beautiful color.
Nice straight body. Trunk lid lines up well. Passenger side is really nice and straight. The guy did a wonderful job restoring it. Final top on both sides is excellent. No issues that I see there. Even all the trim looks new. It's got a new windshield. Passenger side of the hood lines up great. Front fender's beautiful. All your Cutlass Supreme side trim looks great. The doors fit well. Rocker's nice and clean. Paint matched mirrors. Don't even
the
have any
gaps
bug
throughout
chips
the
on
whole
them.
car are really good.
Yeah, they are. You can tell he started with a really good car to begin with, and then went through and just made it better.
Yeah, 100%.
Door panels look great. And I love the Cutlass Supreme with the wood grain. Just a really classy car. And it's neat to see in blue. I haven't seen a Cutlass Supreme with this blue interior, but I really like it.
Yeah.
Door jamb paint is excellent. Passenger side corner of the door is rust free as well. Rubbers are newer, nice and pliable. And I like this. He left the original radio, but he put a upgraded one in the glove box, so you have a nice radio there, but it didn't hurt the originality and look of this.
Yeah, that's awesome when they can do that.
And even all these little pieces, which most people forget about in a restoration, you know, all the AC stuff, under dash, looks like that was painted and done to a high standard. All your pillars. Your rearview mirror. It does have some nice speakers in the kick panels too. Those are done tastefully. Windows go up really nice and smooth.
Yeah, and it does have those brand new speakers. JBLs.
Little wear right here on this door panel. These must be original door panels. Let's get the air going, shall we?
Let's do
It's too hot today. It's terribly hot.
And I'm wearing jeans and a sweatshirt for some reason.
I know you weren't thinking, were you? Hornworks, factory tack works. The wood grain's really nice. I almost wonder if this bezel couldn't be original, because you look at some of this plastic around here, it just yellowed a little bit, which is usually a good indicator of originality or age. But the lenses are really nice and clean. The gas gauge works. We got it filled up to half a tank. Tack works. The exhaust sounds great. The AC blows really nice and cold. The wipers here. Wipers work. Remote mirror. Yeah, it's hot. I'm sweating like a hog, dude. It's terrible.
Yeah, it's not good.
I love summer until you get days like this where you're outside all day and it's 100 degrees. Dash pad's nice, rearview mirror's clean. And the biggest thing and the hardest thing to transfer to you, the buyer or the viewer, is how these things drive. This one, there's a feeling you get when you're behind the wheel of this, where you just feel like you're back in time a little bit.
Yeah, 100%.
You know, it handles, feels, sounds like it would have when it was new.
Yeah.
Brakes stop nice and quick. You have a full brake pedal, power brakes. Idle's nice, even with the air on. Your radio in the glove box works. I tested that on our original drive. Nice shift, 60 miles an hour. Suspension feels nice too, don't it?
Yeah, it does.
That's
This
why I
car
love,
is
like, look at
awesome.
this.
Straight down the road.
That's why I love these Cutlasses, especially ones that were done nice, is they're such a comfortable
They're
car.
good cars.
You know, they were more top of the line back in their day. You got the wood grain, the ride and feel of them. You can feel the difference between driving this or driving a Mustang or a Chevelle. These just feel a little tighter, nicer.
Yeah, way better. Like it seems like every Cutlass we get,
Kick
it's just
downwards.
so nice. Drives so nice. The person that restored it did a really good job.
Yeah, they do. Feels great.
Yeah, I like this car a lot, dude.
Brakes are awesome. The air is a big plus. If you're looking for something you just don't have to make excuses for, it's just tight and nice and right, then that's this car. It's not going to be the cheapest one on there, and it shouldn't be. You know, it's one of the best ones on there, and that's what you get with it.
Yeah, price reflects the value.
Exactly.
The condition.
Nice shift. Up to third. Smooth. And how about the way it seals up in here too?
Yeah, it's super smooth.
It's a hardtop coupe and there's no wind noise. Virtually none. Front end's great.
This
I
car's
don't know
awesome.
what else to really say about
Air's
it.
blowing cold.
75 miles an hour, smooth as silk. I think someone's gonna absolutely love this thing. And ma'am, if you find this video and you're watching it, your husband did a wonderful job on the restoration. Really quality car, and it's gonna go to a great home, and someone's gonna love this car just like he did.
Yeah, for sure.
It's a hard one not to love. So check it out in more detail on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoy it, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next test drive.